beautiful. Morning everyone, so it is 8:30 this morning here in Mexico, and this is our final breakfast. You know, the first couple of days went quite slow, didn't it? We were like, oh, it's nice, it's dragging, and then after that it's just boom, flew. The rest of the week just flew. Probably from Coco Bongos when we got absolutely steaming, hung over the next day. Then on the Chichen Itza trip the next day, and then on the catamaran the next day. So the second half of the whole day just flew. But we're back. We're having another breakfast at the Rio Yucatan in Playa Del Carmen. And I'm probably going to go for another omelette. I might fill it and just make like a big Mexican mega omelette. Oh, beautiful. What? An omelette. You know, it's cooked fresh in front of you. You choose what you want inside your omelette. And I always ask for cheese because I prefer an omelette with cheese rather than just egg. But the only thing they don't do here is they don't season the omelette. So we noticed that the other day when we got one. So I'm just going to whack some salt all over that. So there it is, a freshly made omelette, straight in front of you at the buffet service at Rio Yucatan in Playa Del Carmen, Mexico. Here we are, the omelette, freshly made here at the buffet service. All the toppings I put on there in the middle, all the filling. Look at all that. Absolutely steaming hot. Let's dig in. I love a fresh omelette like this, especially when they don't flip it, so the inside is still cooking. And a little bit gooey, it's not undercooked, it's just perfectly cooked. Look at that stringy cheese. So because it's the final live, I hope you've liked the omelette again. I won't show you around the breakfast because there's loads of breakfast buffet lives on here. So if you've missed one, just go back and watch it. If you've missed any of them, I highly recommend the taco review. But as always, please keep sharing. Let's build this page up. Let's hit that 250,000 followers on Facebook. 250,000, we're almost at. I think we can do that if you all share and invite your friends to the post. So I'm going to keep eating this omelette, and the next time I'll be live, I'll be sunbathing either beside the pool or swimming up to the bar or in the sea. Subscribe on YouTube. Dad loves food.
Off the coast of Patagonia, southern right whales are assembling. The males announce their arrival by gigantic leaps, 100 tons propelled into the air with a flip of the tail. The sound above water is like a cannon shot. Below, it must be felt for miles around. And here, these whales demonstrate their solution to that crucial problem for all mammals if they're to live permanently in the sea: how to breed in water.